Hey there, Doc Martinez here, and with the Academy Awards right around the corner, I was inspired to do a special old fashioned for the event. So what better way to celebrate the Academy Awards than with a special themed old fashioned? So in the category of original cocktail, we have the Oscars Popcorn Old Fashioned. So the Academy Awards, popularly known as the Oscars, are awards for artistic and technical merit in the film industry. They are regarded by many as the most prestigious and significant awards in the entertainment industry worldwide. Cocktail quiz time. Now the gold statue was originally sculpted by George Stanley from a sketch by Cedric Gibbons referred to by its nickname the Oscar. But what is the official name of the golden statue? Stay tuned and find out. Now the Oscars Popcorn Old Fashioned is an easy drink to make with a little bit of preparation and a few ingredients. So let's get to making the Oscars Popcorn Old Fashioned. The ingredients that will be needed is popcorn-infused whiskey, butter-flavored simple syrup, and Angostura Bitters. How to make the popcorn-infused whiskey? Well, I use Hibiki Suntory Whisky. It is a Japanese whiskey. I mixed 200 ml of whiskey with 20 grams of fresh air popped butter popcorn. I put it in a container and I left it in the freezer overnight. The next morning, I strained it through a coffee filter. Let's make the butter-flavored simple syrup. First, you pour 5 ml of simple syrup into a shot glass and add 1 drop of butter extract and stir. I first put the drop on a small measuring spoon because it is easy to accidentally add more than 1 drop. I then stir it with the same measuring spoon. So now let's make the Oscars Popcorn Old Fashioned. We're going to add the 60 ml of popcorn-infused whiskey, 5 ml of butter simple syrup, and 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters. We put this onto a mixing glass with ice. We stir all the ingredients until chilled and strain onto a large chunk of ice in a rocks glass. Then we garnish it with popcorn on a pick. Cocktail quiz time! The golden statue was originally sculpted by George Stanley from a sketch by Cedric Gibbons, referred to its nickname, the Oscar. But what is the official name of the golden statue? Officially, the golden statue is called Academy Award of Merit. So here it is, the Oscars Popcorn Old Fashioned. Okay, a little bit smokier than I thought, but it does have a nice hint of popcorn, some butter that hits you at the end, and overall, a rather smooth drink. So now, let's enjoy the drink. We'll munch on some popcorn and watch the Oscars. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, I recommend this next video. Cheers!